back here on the Cougar. Here is our brand new expansion valve. It's got to go reside right down in there. Pretty straightforward, honestly. But, yeah. All right. We have our expansion valve swapped. Everything's back together here on the vacuum pump, evacuuming system. About ready to turn it off and make sure that everything holds. And we'll fire up the charger up. Take her outside. Let's see how nice she'll be. All right. Holding a consistent, steady vacuum. We're gonna charge this baby with some refrigerant. We're gonna fire it up. We're gonna turn the air on. Get her where we want her to be. And I'm gonna pull her outside, make sure she does okay out in the heat, in the sun, and then we'll be done. All right, we're charging. All right. Outside, all charged. No driver. All right, so air's on. It's nice in here. Look at the temp. This is so hot out. It's creeping. It's not overheating, but it's creeping. But, the thing is doing its job.